Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me on my newest Printables video number 2. I appreciate you guys' support and subscribing to my channel and for watching and commenting. I'll be going live tonight at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so I do hope that you join me for that. And sorry if I seem nervous for my intro. I am. This is like the second time I put my face on camera, so I hope you guys are okay with this thing that I'm doing here. So here's the newest printables. Okay, so I'm excited about this week's newest printables. I decided to make a couple of, since it's the new year coming up, I decided to make a couple of cards with the months on them. And these are the bingo cards, and I altered them in a really cute color palette. And they have every single month of the year. And of course you get 12 cards for $2.50. And of course right now you can take advantage of my sale, which is save 50% off your order of $50 going on in my shop at TsunamiRose.net. I have moved over to my own private Etsy store, so I do appreciate your support with that. Here is, I was continuing on the theme of black and white with some of the printables that I made this week. So here I decided to design some postcards that are black and white, and here I printed these out on cream cardstock, but I have also tried to print them out on craft color cardstock, and they look really cute, really pretty. And of course you can print them out on anything that you wanted to print out. Coffee dyed paper. It's really fun. So here's the second page of that set. And I also again, with the months of the year, I made this set of big elements. A lot of you guys like the big prints of these journal cards. And of course you get 6 pages with this kit, and it has every single month of the year. And a little check mark with things you might want to do that month, or just like little journaling notes. Super cute cards. I also like to print them out small, and that way I can clip them onto a page or a book that's really tiny. I think that's really cute. So again, I like the versatility of printables. You can print them out small or big, any size to fit your project, which is what I appreciate. And again, back to the black and white theme, I designed some new mason jars with some really, really beautiful floral prints on them. Very vintage, very cute. I'm going to cut these out with my Scan and Cut and use them in probably my next junk journal. Here's the second page of that set. It is a 3-page set. And of course, each of my printables is $2.50. You guys can check that out with my store included. You could also get the extended license, which allows you to sell these printables with your junk journals. So I do appreciate your support in that. Here I printed out these pages, 2 pages on one. So super cute. They look tiny. They're not too small, but they are small. And here again, I printed out the big pages on craft colored cardstock. Super excited to use that. I also designed 3 new sets of junk journal pages. And let me show you the original sets first. Here I just printed them out on white paper, just really nice heavy white paper. And they look really nice, just black and white. I took off the color setting on my printer and just hit black and white, so I didn't waste any color printer. I didn't waste any color ink, I should say. And these are just really simple design with a lot of lined journaling space so that you can write all your thoughts. I think that maybe a lot of my journals, I don't add a lot of journaling space, so I wanted to design some pretty lined journal pages, and this is what I came up with. Just really, really pretty vintage images that I turned black and white. And it's just a really stark contrast, and I really like the interest that they add to the pages. Again, really simple lined pages, but they're going to be really cute in my journals, I can tell. Now for my journals, I like to print them the pages out by at 8 by 10. So here they are printed out at 8 by 10. I can go ahead and cut these out of the background, and I printed these out on coffee dyed scrapbook paper. So I really like doing that. Of course you have to iron the paper so that way you can print it on it, but totally worth it. I like the look. I like the interest and the different little details that each page has. Makes it look really special. And again, these are 8 by 10, but the page, the normal page will print borderless, and I do have a borderless printer, so that's the option that I went for right here. But most printers, you'll have a little border around, or you could also reduce the size of the print, and that way you get some awesome results, and you can custom size these journal pages for your own journal size. And I can't wait to get started on my next journal. I know these are going to look super cute in there. I hope you guys join me tonight. I am going to be going live. I'll probably be decorating this whole journal live. I'm not sure how long I'll be going live. But if you do join me, I do appreciate it. I'll be going live at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, I appreciate your support with checking out my store and checking out my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a good New Year's. I'll see you guys tonight. Peace out, you guys.
I love you, boo-boo. You love me, boo-boo? You don't love me.